So yeah, guys, I'm out here in my favorite park right here. You know, got a lot of space. It's very spacious. Got some soccer players out there today. And guess what I got with me? I got Mr. Mavic Mini. I mean, Mrs. Mavic Mini. That's the girl. So I watched the tutorial, and I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna set up my settings before I put that thing in the air. And I will be capturing it with the GoPro 8. Let's get on with this. Here's the Mavic Mini. About to take flight. There you go. Wow, that thing is steady in the air, yo. That thing is fighting that wind. As you can see, it's windy. I'm gonna record. Okay? It shows on the camera. I'm recording. I'm gonna go a little higher. Oh man, this is beautiful. This is the best drone I've ever had in my life. I'm pointing down. I'm gonna take flight. Yo, this drone is a badass. I have it on sports mode, I believe. Let me see. Yeah, it's on sports mode because the winds are very strong. All right, I gotta really be careful with this drone because it's really, it have, you can say it has no landing gears, just only the front. So you don't want to even emergency land this thing. Let's turn this camera down. Oh man, this is beautiful right here. This is a very good drone right here. It's fighting them winds. This is well worth 400 bucks. Look, do you see it? Look, come on, come closer. Fight for the Mavic Mini. Show them why you're in Bad Boy Street, baby. Fight for them, baby. Look at that. You hear that? It's a beast, man. Jesus Christ. It's fighting. Those winds, my Bucks 3 couldn't stay in these drones, these winds. You know what I mean? Oh man, this is awesome. This is awesome. I hope this getting recorded. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and try to do some helix, whatever you want to call it. I don't know how to brighten my damn iPhone screen. Let me see if I can do a helix shot. Okay, here's the FHD. Hold on. It says I don't even know what button to press. Let me just take my time. Okay, I'm gonna press this button right here. Shooting in progress, unable to switch. Okay, I'm gonna stop this recording. Bam, and then I'm gonna. Okay, here we go. It says quick shots. There we go, quick shots. Cool. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead. I wanted to. Hold on. Okay, let me see. Okay, I wanna. Oh, the light is on me right here. You should get it right. All right, good. I'm gonna do it when it backs away. It's called a rocket. It's called a drone. I want to do a drone. Okay, so let me get as close as I can as possible. All right, you see my beautiful face, y'all? Y'all love me? Hold on, I don't even think I took a shower yet today, man. I'm so anxious to do this. You got a lot of stuff in front of the screen. I don't want this in my screen. How do I get it off? I don't know how. Okay, but okay, we're gonna do that drone shot thingy, all right? We're gonna do it, not 80 feet, let me see. Oh, 80 feet, it goes to 80 feet, all right? Quick shot. Okay, we're gonna do it, the drone. I don't know how to start the drone. Oh, here it goes. Hold on, I think I gotta aim the camera at me. Okay, I think I gotta select the camera sensor at the target and the aircraft that sends backwards. Okay. Okay, here's the drone. I'm sure I gotta select. Oh, okay, I gotta select the target. Oh, here I am. I gotta select myself. Yeah. Oh, hold on. Okay, I'm selecting myself, y'all. Okay, here we go. 3, 2, 1. Yeah. Yeah, and I think it returns by itself automatically, y'all. That was awesome. That was awesome right there, yo. You know what I'm saying? That was awesome. We just did a drone, y'all. It returns right at the exact spot by itself. Don't cut my head off. Okay, it cut my head off. Okay, yo, that was awesome right there. You know what I'm saying? By the way, don't worry about how I got the strap, because if it falls off my head, it's gonna hang on my neck. You know what I'm saying? It's your boy Alpha Drone. Please subscribe to my channel, by the way. Okay, now we're gonna do another one. Okay, we're gonna do another one. We're gonna do. Let me get away from. Okay, cool. We're gonna do we're gonna change this quick shot to the rocket. I thought I selected the rocket. Okay, here we go. Let me select the background, select myself. Okay, make sure get a better selection. Okay, here we go. I think I got myself. Okay, swallow me. Okay, let's do the rocket. This is the rocket, y'all. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Yo, that is awesome. It's not in the center of the screen because the winds are strong, yep. It's coming back down. Wow, that drone is high up in the air. I was scared to look up in the air because I don't want my drone to fly away. This is very dependable. DJI, whoever doesn't like your drone, man, they need to go to the crazy house or something. Okay, now we're gonna try another one. Before we try another one, I wanna go to like the center because I don't want nothing around me. So let's go to the center. Wow, that's awesome. I love the way it brakes, you know what I mean? I love the way it brakes, it put its brakes on, you know what I mean? That's awesome. It put its brakes on like, wow, you know what I mean? Okay, just checking to see if my GoPro was recording. All right, so we got some footage left. Let me go ahead and do this, we're gonna do the, Jesus, what's it called? We're gonna do the circle. Put the camera on me first, there we go. Okay, then highlight, there we go. Smart technology, it didn't do anything. All right, it's gonna go this way, no, this way. It's gonna circle this way, I think. Is it? Well, I don't know. Wow, that's awesome. Very awesome. Tracking. Why track when you got this? Thank you, Mavic Mini. You did an outstanding job just now, you know what I'm saying? Okay, now we're gonna do the last one, which was everybody's favorite. I don't know why, but we're gonna see why right now. The helix, okay? The helix. Okay, I don't want it to go too far. So I want it to go like 60 feet. Okay? And we're gonna start from right here. Oh man, that gimbal is in my face. Wow, this drone is serious, y'all. Serious business, y'all. We're gonna do the helix. Make sure it's highlighted correctly. Okay, lift up the gimbal a little bit, drone. Okay, here we go. Okay, so let me back up a little bit. Okay, come up a little bit. Strong winds. Strong wind warning. We're gonna still do this helix. Let's go. This is the helix. Look at that drone. Look at that drone. That drone is a badass. It's fighting in the winds and it's doing what it's told. I had no interference, no interruptions. Nothing happened. It's coming back to me. Look at this. Right on the spot. This is as accurate as flying gets. And whoever doesn't like this drone is a weirdo. Whoever, come here, baby, come here, baby, come here, baby. Baby, I know you, I know, baby, I know, baby. Whoever don't like you is a weirdo, baby, we know that. Whoever don't like you is a weirdo, baby, yeah, you know what I'm saying? All right, come follow daddy now, come follow daddy. I'm gonna record some shots with my drone. So right now I'm gonna just turn off the GoPro and trying to focus on this drones, right? The drone shots, all right? GoPro, turn off. All right, I moved to this section right here of the park because it got more concrete, it's bigger, more landing space. And plus, at the time, this field was not being utilized. Now it is, you know what I mean? But I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna put the Mavic Mini in the air if I can do some snapshots with the GoPro of the Mavic Mini. Ladies and gentlemen, the Mavic Mini. This is return home. It's for the bin landed. I guess I'm supposed to do the landing for it. Okay, let's see the propellers messed up. That's why I hit my hand when I take pictures. Jesus Christ. I mean, to get footage. Alright, GoPro, stop recording. I'm getting used to the camera positioning. You know, this is my first time flying this drone ever. You know what I mean? So I'm getting used to the camera positioning. I think this right here is the best angle of the sun. That Mavic Mini is fighting in the air. Oh my gosh. If you see the propellers, this is what nobody mentions when they do their little vlog videos. If you look at the propellers of the Mavic Mini, the way the legs are, you'll see that the propellers are not even like in the same level. It's like slanted a little bit. It's weird. You know what I mean? It's weird. This is awesome right here, man. I never had a better drone. I don't want another drone. I just hope they update this, put some more features on there. That's about it. This is the best drone to have right here, man. It's portable. It's a beast, and I can't wait to get used to it. Oh shit. Oh. Damn. Hit the batteries. How the that happened? You can see the Maverick was very obedient to rules, instructions. If you wanted to go left, you go left, or right, you go right. The Maverick was accurate. It's the best drone I ever flew. This goes out to Dad Random. You can't send a Mavic Mini out on a damn Afghanistan mission and don't expect something to happen. It's not a mission drone. It's a cinematic drone. Oh, the camera. That's why your Mavic Mini crashed 2 times. Don't blame the Mini, man. We like you, Dad Random, but we had to go tough on you, man. And also, I made another video about me flying the Mavic Mini, and guess where I flew that? The beach. So lay around for that video. It's coming up next episode. Please subscribe to this channel. I'm gonna show you how tough that Mavic Mini is, man. This is Al Padron on YouTube. Sky's Unlimited on Facebook. I'm out. Peace.